Hey there, fellow Americans. Breaking news that's going to change your financial situation. President Trump's latest announcement has everyone talking, and you won't believe the stimulus updates I'm about to share. If you're wondering about those $7,000 deposits hitting bank accounts this Monday, you're in the right place. Before we dive deep into this game-changing announcement, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on the latest stimulus news and financial updates that matter to you. In a surprising turn of events, former President Donald Trump has just made a massive announcement regarding double stimulus payments that could put up to $7,000 in eligible Americans' bank accounts as soon as Monday. This unprecedented move comes as part of a broader economic recovery plan that aims to provide immediate relief to millions of struggling households across the nation. But what exactly does this mean for you, and how can you ensure you don't miss out on these payments? The newly approved double stimulus payout structure is designed to address the ongoing financial challenges faced by Americans in the wake of recent economic pressures. This isn't just another standard stimulus payment, it's a carefully crafted program that takes into account various income levels and household sizes. But here's what makes this different from previous stimulus efforts: the payments are structured to provide immediate relief while also encouraging long-term financial stability. You might be wondering, how exactly does this new program work, and am I eligible? Let's break down the eligibility criteria that's got everyone talking. The double stimulus program focuses on providing support to both low and middle income households, with special consideration for families with dependents. Single filers earning up to $75,000 annually and joint filers earning up to $150,000 will receive the full amount, with gradual phase-outs for higher income levels. But here's the kicker: unlike previous stimulus programs, this one includes additional support for those who can demonstrate ongoing financial hardship due to current economic conditions. Have you checked if you meet these criteria? The timing of these payments couldn't be more crucial. With Monday deposits scheduled to begin rolling out, many Americans are eagerly checking their bank accounts and wondering about the distribution schedule. The IRS has implemented a new, streamlined system to ensure faster delivery of these funds. But what steps do you need to take to ensure you're not left waiting? This is where paying attention to the details becomes absolutely crucial. One of the most significant aspects of this announcement is the focus on double payments. This means that eligible recipients could receive two separate deposits, totaling up to $7,000 for qualifying households. The structure is designed to provide immediate relief while also offering sustained support over a shorter period. Think about it: when was the last time a stimulus program offered this kind of comprehensive support? It's unprecedented in recent history. The impact of these payments extends beyond individual households. Economic experts are projecting significant positive effects on local economies as these funds begin circulating. Small businesses, which have been particularly hard hit in recent times, are expected to see increased customer spending. But what does this mean for the overall economic recovery? And how can you make the most of these funds when they arrive? Many Americans are asking about the verification process for these payments. The IRS has established a dedicated portal where eligible recipients can verify their information and track their payment status. But here's something crucial you need to know: the system has been updated to include new security measures to prevent fraud while ensuring faster processing times. Have you taken the necessary steps to verify your information? The distribution schedule is designed to be efficient and organized. Starting Monday, direct deposits will begin appearing in bank accounts across the country. However, the rollout will be phased to ensure smooth processing. Those who have previously received direct deposits from the IRS will likely see their payments first, followed by paper checks and EIP cards. But what happens if you don't receive your payment in the first wave? One particularly noteworthy aspect of this stimulus program is its attention to special circumstances. Families with dependents, senior citizens, and individuals with disabilities may be eligible for additional support beyond the base payment amount. The program recognizes that different households face different challenges, but how do these additional benefits work, and what documentation might you need to qualify? The application process has been streamlined to make it as accessible as possible. While many eligible recipients will receive their payments automatically based on previous tax returns, others may need to take additional steps. The IRS has created a simplified portal for those who don't typically file taxes or need to update their information. But what's the deadline for ensuring your information is current, and what happens if you miss it? Security measures have been enhanced to protect recipients from fraud and scams. With any large-scale financial distribution, unfortunately, scammers try to take advantage. The IRS has implemented new safeguards, but what are the red flags you should watch for, and how can you protect yourself from potential fraud attempts? The economic implications of this stimulus program are far-reaching. Beyond the immediate relief to households, economists are predicting positive ripple effects throughout various sectors of the economy. Small businesses, retail, and service industries are expected to see increased activity. But how can you make strategic decisions about using these funds to maximize their long-term benefit? For those who may have missed previous stimulus payments, this program includes provisions for catch-up payments. This means that eligible individuals who didn't receive past stimulus payments may be able to claim them along with the new double stimulus. However, specific documentation and verification processes apply. What steps should you take if you believe you're owed previous payments? The program also includes special considerations for recent college graduates and young professionals entering the workforce. This demographic has faced unique challenges in the current economic climate, and the stimulus program acknowledges these difficulties with targeted support measures. But what specific criteria apply to this group, and how can they ensure they receive the support they're entitled to? Rural communities and urban centers may see different implementation schedules and support structures. The program recognizes the varying needs of different geographic areas and includes flexibility to address these differences. How does your location affect your payment timeline and potential additional support options? Financial advisors are recommending specific strategies for maximizing the benefit of these stimulus funds. While immediate needs are obviously a priority, there may be opportunities to use these funds in ways that provide longer-term financial stability. What are the experts suggesting, and how can you apply these recommendations to your situation? The impact on different age groups varies significantly. While working-age adults form the primary recipient group, both younger and older Americans have specific provisions under this program. Senior citizens, in particular, may be eligible for additional support beyond the base payment. What age-specific benefits should you be aware of? Local community organizations and support services are gearing up to assist with questions and concerns about the stimulus program. Many are offering free guidance and assistance with verification and documentation requirements. But where can you find reliable local resources, and what services are they offering? The program includes provisions for future adjustments based on economic indicators. This flexibility means that support levels could be modified if economic conditions change significantly. How might these adjustments affect future payment amounts and eligibility criteria? For business owners and self-employed individuals, there are specific considerations to keep in mind. The program includes provisions that recognize the unique challenges faced by this group, including potential additional support for business-related expenses. What documentation should business owners prepare to ensure they receive all eligible benefits? Looking ahead, economists are analyzing the long-term implications of this stimulus program. While the immediate focus is on providing relief, understanding the broader economic impact is crucial for future planning. What economic indicators should you watch to understand how this program affects the overall economy? As we wrap up this detailed overview of Trump's big announcement and the upcoming Monday deposits, remember that staying informed is crucial. The situation continues to evolve, and updates may be released regularly. Have you taken all the necessary steps to ensure you're prepared for these payments? Remember to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on stimulus news, economic developments, and financial tips that could affect your wallet. We're committed to bringing you accurate, timely information about these important developments. Drop a comment below with your thoughts and questions about the stimulus program, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this information. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to monitor this developing story.